Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today I'm going to show you some of the products I pre-ordered from the mini catalog, the January through June 2021 catalog. Okay, so I cannot show you the inside of this. I can only show you the cover. Okay, come January 5th, I can show you the inside. So let's see here. So I've got these little blended brushes, or blending brushes. I'm excited to use these. Let's see. Whoops. Oh, wow, okay. So they're a brush. Obviously it says brush. But from some other videos I watched, it looked like a sponge, but it's an actual brush. That's really neat. I can't wait to try these out. Then, hold on, let me see here. Because I got a suite. I want to show you. Okay, so, hold on, that is celebration paper. And so is that. Okay, so this is from the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper. Let me just check really quick. Because this is a suite, it's not a bundle. Okay, it's the Fine Art Floral Suite, and it comes with this designer series paper. Let me see, where's my X-Acto knife? All right, I'll just use this. The paper's really pretty. Okay, so there's this side, and then that side. There's this, and this. This is pretty. Oh, I like that. I like that there's like one side is floral and the other side's just kind of plain, sort of. So if you don't like florals, you can use the other side. This is pretty. This would be pretty for like a scrapbook. I like that color. This one's pretty too. I mean, they're all pretty. Okay. Now this is the Golden Garden Designer Specialty Acetate. Ooh. Okay. So it's like florally. This one too. Oh, hold on. This. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. So it matches this paper, like this print. That's cool. And then the last one is this one. Very pretty. Okay, so those two come in that suite along with this gilded leafing. And I thought it came with a heat and stick powder. Oh yeah, right here. This. And then it came with right here. Well, let me show you the stamp set. This is the stamp set. And it is photopolymer, which I absolutely love. And this embossing folder. Floral Gallery. Oh, okay, no. Yes. Floral Gallery dies. I don't even know what I got. It does come with an embossing folder. Okay, so these dies go with the stamp set. This is the embossing folder. I get too excited. This is called Painted Texture 3D Embossing Folder. So that's what it looks like. This is really cool. I can't wait to play with this. Maybe put some ink on it and then put paper. That would be really cool. And then it came with some ribbon. Wait, which one is it? Oh, this ribbon. What is it? Fine art ribbon. But what is it? Oh, it just says fine art ribbon. It has like a metallic thread in it. Very pretty. Okay, so that's what I got. Because I placed 2 orders. So the first order I got this suite, and I also ordered this metallic ribbon. It's pink. Hold on, let's try to open this here. Ooh. There we go. Oh, this is pretty. It's soft. It also has like metallic running through it too. Okay. Then I got this for celebration. For every $50 you spend, you get something free from the celebration catalog, well, little flyer. And this is one of them, the Berry Blessings. And this is photopolymer. And I also got the paper that comes with it. So actually this is a $100 set. So there's two products in the celebration catalog. This is one of them. If you spend $100, you get this. You can choose this, or you can choose 2 $50 products. Wait, does that make sense? Yeah. The other one is a stamp set. So everything else is just $50. So if you spend $50, you can get whatever product you want. So this was one of the $100. Let's open this. This is so pretty. Very nice. I like it. It's like watercolor. Blueberries. I love blueberries. Again, I like that they do like a pattern side, like it's the fruits, and then the other side is just kind of, you know, like a not plain pattern, but if you don't like the fruits, you can use the other side. Okay. Then I also got, whoa, paper's falling. I also got this, is also another celebration product. So this is really pretty. Okay. There you go. And then the last one. Okay, so let me show you my second order. So some of the dies were on back order. They're actually not on back order anymore. But I placed this order before they were available. So this actually has a the actual dice with it. But like I said, I wasn't able to order them, but I really wanted this. It's so cute. Kangaroo and Company. So stinking cute. And there's a die that I think you cut this out or something. I don't know. But how cute. Again, me and my photopolymer stamp sets. I love them. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so I got another suite. Let me show you the suite first. And I wasn't gonna get this stamp or this suite. I don't know, I don't know. I didn't want to get it, but then I was thinking of doing a shaker card like this. Where's the paper? Here's the paper. And it comes with ribbon. Okay. So at first I was like, man, I don't want this one. But then I was like, oh, maybe I can make a shaker card using the punch. But now that I'm looking at it, I think it might be too small. I don't know. I'll try it out. But this is the ice cream corner suite, and it comes with the punch, with the stamp set, sweet ice cream. I love the happy birthday. I love the font. Photopolymer. Surprise, surprise. Then it comes with these cute little ice cream corner sprinkles. Let's see. Ooh. It almost looks... It looks like foam, but it's not. Maybe it is. I don't know. It's kind of hard. It feels hard. Oops. Cute. Then it comes with this ribbon. This is called Striped Ribbon. What color is this? Blackberry Bliss. Okay, let me see. Okay. That's pretty. It's like a sheer ribbon. And then it comes with this pretty paper. Oops. Those look yummy. This looks like a cone. This is cute. Very pretty. A little popsicle. It's pretty. I love these colors. Green's my favorite color. Any shade of green I love. And that is it. Very nice. Okay. So I got that sweet. Okay, then I got this bundle, the Dragonfly Garden, and it comes with this punch. This is cute. This is cling stamp. Very pretty. I love the dragonflies. Oh, and this one. This is so cute, to the crocodile. Oh snap. Very cute. This is photopolymer. Let's see. Okay. Then I got this bundle. This is the Floating and Fluttering stamp set. And the bundle, if you get the bundle, it comes with these dies. Fluttering dies. Look how pretty that is. And it comes with 2 sets of this. That's cool. Then, oh, I got this paper. The Dandy Garden 6x6 Designer Series paper. Oh, come on. Get out. There we go. I won't go through all this because I know it's a lot. I'll just kind of flip it a bit. To the other side. Oh, hold on. Oh, this would be pretty to like color with the blends. Okay, and then these are the 3 products I got from Celebration. So, Darling Donkeys. Isn't that so cute? Look at this. Look at this little guy here. And him with the rose. So stinking cute. And that is a cling stamp set. Then this is Approaching Perfection. I like getting birthday stamps. Happy birthday. So what if you're a year older? You're fabulous, huh? That's cute. And then Heal Your Heart. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in any of these products, you have to wait till January 5th. If not, you can become a demonstrator. You can join my team and pre-order these items now. And your starter kit, you can also purchase this little guy. This is the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And it is just so adorable. Oh my goodness. So yeah, you can pre-order these items and put them in your starter kit for $99. You get $125 worth of products for $99. If not, you can wait till January 5th and purchase the items. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.